Ka National People's Party hakas nginangkong. Klub liang burom yei Dr. Jasmine Lengdo syaka parti. Bat penbenaru ya kakerteng jung i kum kakertong ke parti. Ban aireng hak election MLA nanong temai usnem arjar apulai. Ya ka Dr. Jasmine Lengdo lap liang burom dau National Vice President ke NPP. Badiru usambut menteri rang ba kajela ba Presiden tensong ringkat kajing dan lang State President Dr. W.R. Kharuki nang tau ba senyau balang dhar ba penyai singsim kumju ki MDC nalor kiwe. Chua kane Presiden ulapan skamru ika blok komiti jong kanong thamai National People's Party. Hagan ika sngi uba Presiden ulakan tu ikinong kitkam jong ka blok bakin senang no isyat ya kajing tray nang nesya kmat nang bak NPP kan ban kurlang ya kajing job ha u arajar arpulai. Uba Presiden ulong ru balakade haki kaming nekam parti newat haki kiwe kikam ya ki bateri bah kajudan bet kajing syakran nesya lan thamau. Nakaliang ka Dr. Jasmine Lengdo kelapan pau baka jingwan ban penyeso jongka syaka parti NPP kadai namar baka neka parti kadone kanong rim bat ka batrei nakamta kabit kabyang jongki pajba bat jongka jelahi waro kawe.
Rise of all. After the Honorable State President of NPP, Dr. W. Kharuki has just confirmed the constitution of Bloc NPP Nong Thamai, the parents' body, women's wing, and youth wing. I, on behalf of the National President, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, who is not able to be with us tonight, I would like to announce and declare the candidature of the NPP from Nong Thamai constituency. And the name is, I don't know, the name is Dr. Jasmine Mary. So from tonight, she is officially our candidate. Any one of you who have doubts, please meet the Honorable State President Dr. W.R. Kharuki in case you have any doubts. But as I said to you, she is our official candidate, and please walk closely with her. And I'm sure 2023 general election, which is to be held in the month of February, we will come out victorious. Thank you so much. Ya i Dr. Jasmine Mary Lengdo. Iba ngaladet penbena ya ketiket. Kawai ka bangakwa banong ya pi kum ka parti NPP nga thai pher banyo. Balay gali ong ta. Namar mensyua ngadon ka parti kongres. Wat na dengan day makana usiting MLA rusitom tibio tiket ngamyo tiket. O kejinga kun tak madio tiket ka rusitom. Remangi pat nakalian jong ke NPP. Banlait kejinga pat kejinga perang. Banlait ru hakabakadu kejinga solusi. Nginang penbena lepai gitu. Ladadon bawan kena hadir yang tu ya terela. Lagi pak banjuan ni pedian sengobah. Tendrai ban ong badi tiket temlong suk ban ong kumul. Nama lade biata aktin ban ikom Jasmine. Kata kadai kamu pak ban ong ya. Kata kadai kan nongrim jong kapati yang Sapek nangis sekmaku ngidnya dah ketiga itu. Bad nangis kem baki wei ke pati ke jela ke jomi. Haka bakhadu kin sabut ya ke nuksa bat ya ke nongrim jong kapatien. Kawai ka bangakwa ban tentukan pam ya ke blok ka temai jong NPP yang di nong temai ya ka women's wing bat kumjuhu ya ka youth wing tong ini trei tang kawai ke jumut berkat. Ndai ban ong mengin don ke jinge pher jumut begin don ke jinge tan patulun wei lagi trei ke tang kawai ke jumut ke berkat. Bat kata kalong bangin yok hek iyo sok batian kena ke general election kaman salong hajar pulai kawai ka bangakwa ban supan kemau kalong bang ke opponent jongi lasyai ke hisni ka ke isu ka bakin peni segi pat ba nong tebut jo ka nong temai konsensi kalong iwei iketin tang silai kin ong family politics kai ka bikin kawangi kong Jasmine kolong hey the husia namar ba kane de ka family politics balikin ong ba namar ba yang pri ni de mali mensyua nadu ikpa nado iba Peter ma banyak poi iba arjin do poi kong amprin ban mentanam ni nanti temai nak kalian ke NPP ngelarai ban ai i Jasmine lendo tina kata kadau kabang amut ban ong ya pi ni nak ke NPP ni jid ya ki kandidat om nak kalian juga ya gasen om na kano kada lagi jid namar bang yoi kabriu kabadon kasap kaphom ban syakri yaki paitba jom kenong temai konsensi barku na kamta ki paitba jom ke jelam ikla jemi barokawai kata kata ke subjek pedeng kaba pelong yang ni bangin jid ya i Dr. Jasmine Mary Lendong by long ka official candidate jom ka parti NPP nang ni nanong temai kabakhadu kabangakwa ban om su ang ni kelong ken mau bah kat banang tresitop kata nang syak kawang ma kata kade kabaju jia pi ong hayeng lajong pi ong hasnong atau pi ong hakim lang masalah pi ong haduk kejerong kat banang treba kata nang syak lenten mau tambah umau bahap hakamet lani kajibing jongi kadang penstat, bat kadang penklaim, bat kadang ayah kedoksa. Bangin ilek persyak. Bat bangin nang klaim susu. Hata nongrim. Ban syakri. Ia kejelam itu. Menai Dr. Kaluki ladebom. Bagi babun ki isu. Bana kalian jom sorkar MBA. Hapok kejelam jong Konrad Sangma. Hapok kejelam jong ke parti NPP. Ni yen scam. Kum upaya bahak. Ban pendek. Ya kejing angdun. Jong gipat ba. Kejelam itu aja. Kata kabang aku ban om yepi. Kak kubor sesi sempat. But I bakal digamit. Kabangila penskem ya ka blok NPP. Hang ni hanong temai konstitusi. Nang ni sekmat. Nginang yok bor. Ban trei. Ban syakri. Ban penklaim haki senong kita. Ya ki unit. Baper haman laki kentoy. Haman lagi sini. Naku apan kerpat, nakaliang jogi sama, nakaliang jogi kilong kami, bat kumju na kaparens body. Tur sya kisnong sikutang. Tau yaki unit, haki kentoy, haki snong yaki tau. Bangin yo iginong kitkam, ban nang templan susu, ya ka parti ke jomi, ba ka kandidat ke jomi, kan yo ya ka jingjom, ka bandon burom, akan di election ka bansawan. Tina kali macam nampak suban buntin, ngai kumlei, ngai berku berdo, ya kinong kitkam barok jom do. Bat ya kitkot jom ka barok. Nadu ka parents body. Nadu ka women's wing, bat kumju adu ka youth wing. Tongin ya tracy tom, yin me tiak ni dem. Ai ba ka jingwan jong ya kan dijangi ban penskem ya ka blok barok away. Kanang ai bor kanang ai mesin ya pi bangin tur nang ni sekemat bat bangin jo roban kek ya usok ubat yang syua bangan syong ngan ong long live ong mapi NDP long live kam om jam kendian malai sampiang long live kom lay pisya jamu.
That yes, now I can proudly tell everybody, yes, NPP has chosen me as their candidate. I want to thank every one of you here who have given your valuable time to be with me in this very important occasion. I must say that I was very worried that people would not be able to turn out because it is a weekday. And we also had to change the dates of this program, so I was very worried, I must say. But I can say today that I'm so happy to see everybody's face. Most of you I have met personally because for many months now, we have been going around to ask for you to please see me as a potential leader for 21 non-mine constituency. I would like to express a big, heartfelt gratitude to a national president of the National People's Party, Mr. Conrad Sangma. Unfortunately, he is not here with us today, but I'm sure that his blessings are with me on this very important day. He is a person that we can consider a role model because of his innovative ideas and also the speed at which he works. I must say that whenever I see our Chief Minister do anything, I feel so proud. I feel so blessed that yes, we have somebody who's so dynamic and who's so willing to take so many difficult decisions. And I also express my gratitude to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Wilson. Sir, thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence. You have shown me, sir, that the essence of dedicated work and positive attitude in times of difficulties is so important in a leader. I hope that I will be able to imbibe these great qualities that you show to us. And I still remember our conversations that we had with our state president, Dr. Karuki, with the state working presidents by Snowdana, Dhar, and also with Dr. Donvar the other day I went to visit him. I must say that I feel so welcomed into the NPP party. And it is a party that, I must say, also gives a lot of importance to how senior members guide and show the way to us young and novice, leaders in the state. I look forward to future interactions with all the members, dignitaries who are here today. I can see that, yes, I am so lucky to be in the midst of great personalities, to be in the midst of people with vision and people who will be able to tell me exactly what I should do. So I look forward to the following next few months to be able to interact with them and to get their advice on how that I should move forward. Yes, many are asking, why would I join the NPP? But I must say that NPP is a party with a vision. It is a party that has a vision on how we can make Meghalaya progressive. It is a party that also keeps in mind national standards on how to bring about development in the state. Yes, it is a party that I have been watching now for many months, and I get amazed at how well they are working together as a team in the midst of all that hardship that has been there during the COVID pandemic situation. So, it is with great pride also that I tell you today that even though I have not been formally, elected, but our leaders give us so much importance when we go and approach them with issues that are related to our constituency. I must say that I have had a few interactions with a dynamic young Chief Minister who has been listening so attentively to what are the problems that are there in 21 of my constituency. And he is listening and he is giving his ideas. And he is also encouraging us by hand-holding us. In the past few months, North has got so many help from our Chief Minister. Yes, all this is going a long way in helping the residents of North believe that NPP has a vision for us, North constituency. So I must say that I will never be here today without a dedicated team. A team that works tirelessly. A team till today didn't even know, which side are we going. But each and every one of our team members has been so dedicated and giving so much of their time that I feel so proud to be a part of this great team. Yes, today we are formally recognizing our block, North Block Executive Committee, and I must say that our president is a person that we can look up to. But then, that we, call him very fondly, he is so dynamic, he is so inspirational, and even though now his family is in the midst of a hardship, he is here with us today, to be with us and to give our team a lot of encouragement. So yes, I'm also in the midst of great, young leaders who are part of our women's team. I must say that yes, our women folk are so excited that yes, they have a woman representing them. I will do justice to what it is that you expect from me. But I need your help, and I need you to be by my side, to show me, to guide me, so that all this effort that we put in becomes an effort that will bring us victory in 2023.